Actually, we started already here adaptive neurotechnologies course, which we gave first time in fall 2017 to graduate neurobiology students. And I was a professor in this course. And the second step is this workshop, and we're now brainstorming about the next steps for BMI program developing. I think there are many different possibilities, but right now, of course, the main focus would be on developing different approaches for stroke rehabilitation, because it's very clinically relevant.
We have neurosciences in Lithuania, but we don't have BCI, so the idea was to start to do this. That's one point. Another point, to collect people in one place, to make networking, to know each other. That's in addition to knowledge we acquire during this course. Technically, for our program, it wouldn't be very new, I would say, because our department is pretty strong in EEG recordings. It's historically, so recordings, analysis, I mean EEG stuff itself. So just to combine with another part with outcome of that, or motor part, so to say. So I would think it should be feasible, I would say, like this.
Well, as a neurologist, I'm interested in the field of epilepsy, and from this interest came my further interest in the field of BMI, and this is the first congress or meeting of this kind in Lithuania that is dedicated to BMI, so obviously I was here. I think this is a promising field on many levels, both for medical applications and for conventional applications, like for entertainment and navigation and general life. I think 10 years from now we're going to be having this interview through BMI. I do see from many fields the acute interest of young people who are now in a bachelor's and master's, and I think this is a field void and which we can and definitely should fulfill.
We used to learn a lot about BCI and all that things, being computer interface. We have a discipline like adaptive neurotechnologies, and our instructor Milena just told us that she's coming here and you're coming here, and it was really like there wasn't a question not to go here. We knew that exist all these technologies, but in that case, all the time it looked like somewhere far away from here, and like you never felt like it's real. And today we really touched all the things, and it's like eyes open, like this is really happening, and we really have that.
Cooperation, usually it's good. That's my attitude, that cooperating nowadays is important. And this workshop is a very good example of this cooperation, and attendance of g.tec is absolutely valuable.
A company like g.tec, it's an example of excellent combination of technology and business innovations and research, because companies like g.tec, they do so many projects and high level research. And of course, the products of this particular company, they're extremely innovative. I don't know any other no, really, I don't know any other company with so many innovative BMI products, and who would be outgoing, and who would do research, who would publish, who would present, and who would also support events like this.